What is an element? First and second point is the definition. Number 1, it is the simplest substance. Number 2, it cannot be broken chemically. Means we can break it physically by any means, by knife or by any means, but we cannot change the composition of element. The thing from which it is made cannot be changed. From which thing it is made? It is made of small particles called atom. Element is made of a small particle called atom. Consider the following example of element. Every element is made up of millions and billions of atoms. I have taken only a sample here. That's why I show it only 4 atoms here. But the thing to remember is that every element is made up of same type of atom, and see here, hydrogen is made up of same type of atom. This atom has 1 plus, this also has only 1 plus, and so on. It means it is made up of same type of atom, and we cannot change the composition of this atom. We cannot break this atom. However, we can break this element from the middle or from sides, and we can cut it into many pieces, but the atom cannot be broken down. Okay, this we mean that element cannot be broken down and it is the simplest substance. Consider an example of helium. This is the sample of helium. We see that at helium element is made up of same type of atom. If we take this atom, it has 2 plus. This atom has also 2 plus. Means all atoms are of same type and possess same physical and chemical properties as well. Okay, so have you understood the atoms same type? But remember, hydrogen atom and helium atom are different from each other. This is the main difference. Each element is made up of same type but differ from the atoms of the other element. The total elements discovered are more than 119. More than 119. 92 are natural and remaining are man-made, or you can say artificial. Okay. So there are too many elements discovered. That's why scientists thought that we should give symbol to each element to reduce the name of element. As for example, I have written a few examples of element with their symbols here. Name of element and symbol. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol is capital H. This is the first symbol, first letter. We take the first letter, which must be capital. Now take the helium, capital H and small e, He. This is helium. Okay. Now nitrogen, capital N, neon, Ne, N must be capital and E must be small. Now sodium. The name of sodium has been, the symbol of the sodium has been taken from its Latin name natrium, Na. I will give examples of some Latin names so that you can remember. Okay, now I have given all the elements with the Latin name here. Name is mercury, hydrogyrum, and the symbol is Hg. The symbol is taken from the Latin name, not from the new name. Gold, aurum, Au, taken from the Latin name. Silver, argentum, Ag, copper, cuprum, Cu, iron, ferrum, Fe, potassium, calcium, Ka, antimony, strontium, Sb. Remember, these are all the Latin elements of the symbols taken from the Latin name. Every element has a combining power by which it combines with the other element. That power is called valency. So you must understand what is valency, and it is a very important topic. Valency may be positive or negative. Some elements have variable valency and some have fixed valency. As for example, sodium has fixed valency, it is +1. The combining power of sodium is +1. Okay. Variable valency, as for example of the copper Cu+1 and Cu+2. It shows two types of valencies. Okay, that's why we say it shows variable valency.